how to fix Siri not working on iPhone. So if Siri's not loading or not turning on in any way, in this video, I'll show you how to fix that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. The first thing I would recommend doing if Siri's not working on your iPhone is to make sure your internet connection is working. Siri requires the internet, so make sure that your Wi-Fi connection or your phone's mobile data is actually working and that you have access to the internet. Once you've done that, we need to open up the settings and make sure that Siri is properly turned on. So to open the settings, swipe right, type settings in the top search. Once we're in the settings, scroll down to the third section and you just want to select Siri and Search. So once in here, we have a couple different options for ensuring that Siri is actually turned on. First, we have listen for. So you can select that and make sure that Hey Siri or Siri activates Siri on your iPhone. So select the proper option there and then hit back. Additionally, you can have Siri turn on if you just briefly hold your power button. So that's the first option for press side button for Siri. So as you can see, if I hold down my power button, Siri comes up. So once you've ensured that Siri is properly turned on, you can close the settings. If it's still not working for you, I recommend restarting your iPhone. And you can easily do that by simply holding down the power button on your iPhone for 20 seconds and it'll reboot. All right, so that's how you fix Siri not working on iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.